like everybody tries to put me down. I'm gonna turn my ship around. I'm gonna turn my ship around. I try to speak, but no one listens. It's like I never made a sound. It seems like everybody tries to shut me down. I'm gonna turn my ship around. I'm gonna turn my ship around. Best for no good reason, and no one cares what I'm about. It seems like everybody tries to knock me down. I'm gonna turn my ship around. No one dares to try and please me. It's like I'm lost and never found. It seems like everybody tries to break me down. I'm gonna turn my ship around. I'm gonna turn my ship around. Turn that 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 ship around. I didn't know. I broke everything new again, everything that I'd owned. I threw it out the windows, came along. Extreme waves I know will part the colors of my sea. Perfect color me. Extreme waves that held me out late at night. Extreme places I had gone, but never see any light. Dirty basements, dirty noise, dirty places coming through. Extreme worlds alone. Did you ever like it then? I would stand in line for this. There's always room in life for this.